Hello. I got the best chips in the world. Now, last video, I gave y'all homework. Now, this is the answer. Check y'all's answers. Um, it's not for grade, guys. It's not for grade. Basically, if you got somewhat like this, or something that's like these are like switched with this and whatever, it's still correct. They're both adding, so it should be fine. Now, we're gonna start on chain rule. There we go. Chain rule. So, chain rule states if you have a function inside of another function, then first, to find the derivative, you would have to find the derivative of the outside function times the inside function, of course, times the derivative of the inside function. Now, what do I mean by this? Now, let's say you have 2x plus 5x to the power of 2. This will constitute as the outside function, and this will constitute as the inside function right here. Now, first, we find the derivative of the outside function, and that's fairly easy. You have to use the derivative. So, since there's a power right here, easy. So it's going to be the derivative. Oh, sorry, I got rid of the 2. The derivative will be 2. You just move it down, minus 1 up here, obviously. And the inside function times the derivative of the inside function, which is just 2 plus 5. Now, it may be a little bit confusing, I get it, but it will be easier every time you do it. So, let's say you have 40 times 400x minus 2x squared parentheses to the power of 2. Now, the outside function will be still this and this. So, and the inside functions will still be that. Now, what you would do would be move this down, so it's going to be 80 because it multiplies. 80 parentheses 400x minus 2x to the power of 2 times the derivative of the inside, which is 400 minus 4x. Pretty easy stuff. Now, what some people, evil people, would do is combine two rules into one. I hate those people. If I catch myself talking to one of those people, I will most likely starve myself because those people hate themselves and hate other people. So, let's say they combine chain rule plus product rule. Now, I hate these people, whoever does this. If I do it, please kill me. If I ever do this, please kill me. Now, this is only for practice sakes. People will test you on this. I hate those people. Now, let's say you have first the outside function. Let's just put the parentheses, and then we'll put product one in there. So it's more parentheses, 4x parentheses 40x plus 2x parentheses to the power of 2. Alright, so here, so you find the derivative of the outside function first. So it's going to be 2 parentheses. Sorry, let me move this a little bit. Parentheses 4x parentheses 40x plus 2x parentheses times the derivative of the inside, which sucks because you have to use product rule, which states that if you have two functions, this is f of x and this is g of x, you first have to find the derivative of f of x times the normal g of x, and then the derivative of g of x times normal f of x, which sucks, but whatever. So it's going to be parentheses, big parentheses, because we're going to have to use a lot. Let me move the parameters a little bit. Oh, okay. Whoever made MS Paint, sucks a lot. I will not define the lot because it is inappropriate, but it sucks a lot. Alright, so it's going to be 4 times that second function. Oh my goodness. Plus parentheses 4x times okay. Now that we have that, alright, give me 1 second while I make all of this extremely small. Okay, I'm gonna start right about here. Make that small. Make this small. Put it right there. There you go. Oopsie daisy. Alright. Now we have to make all of this extremely small. Ah! And I accidentally took the 2 away. What? No. Oh well. I guess I can just make space. Anyways. So these are 2 different functions. Oh my goodness. My goodness gracious. What a mess. Alright, so the derivative of this function, although small, will become extremely large. Because first you have to find the derivative of the outside, which is easy enough. multiply it by the inside, yes, times the derivative of the inside. And on the inside, we have to use product rule, which will end up as this. Now, chain rule, extremely more easy than product rule. However, in the next lesson, it would be way more harder. Now, now, I will give you a little question for next time, so you can work on it. 4x minus 400x to the power of 45.2 parentheses to the power of 2. I will allow you to use calculator. Yeah, sure. And that concludes our video for today. Thank you, everyone.